part of analytical a part of analytical geometry is um being able to comprehend numbers um in an analytical way, thinking about numbers differently. A lot of geometry was used when it came down to charting the stars and calculating distances between the stars and constellations, things of that nature. So that's what piqued my interest in it. But so equations, a lot of equations that um, are about power. So like if you have say you got like 5 to the third power, um, or something like that. I don't know. What is it? 10 to the 10th power, something like that. I don't know. Um, you get something that looks like that, but ultimately, when you break down the numbers, 5 times 5 times 5, then you looking at this ultimately would be talking about very condensed to say, okay, you know what? And this is talking about something astronomical, something very large. We're just gonna simplify it by putting it in this form. And when you break it down to this times this times this, um, and it's like, okay, yeah, we back on the number scale. Um, but analyzing that is being able to take the astronomical concepts of of numbers that have power and comprehend them in a way that gives you answers to things like um how was the sun created, how are stars created, um what's the distance between one constellation and the next. That is when you start being able to comprehend and create visual for those astronomical concepts.